Good afternoon, traders. It's the 8th of December and welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence. Here's a brief disclaimer. It's my contact details for those interested in more. So AI Traders Live, we're going to look at the NASDAQ 100 and we're going to look for major reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts and quick 3-day moves, all these based on artificial intelligence. We're using Metastock Fulgent AI. I have it open here on my platform, and we're going to use the Explorer and we're going to tick Fulgent AI. There's thousands, hundreds of others technical indicator systems in Metastock, but for the purpose of this one we're just looking at the artificial intelligence one, and I'm going to select the NASDAQ 100, start the exploration, and now we're going to find new trading ideas based on those swing trades, the 4 settings. Now the settings are major reversals, where we look for AI strategy that was trained to identify for unique times when the stock is oversold and other forces including cross-market indicators provide evidence of a strong move. So I love major reversals. They tend to have a nice long period of trade, so we're looking for those. And classic swing trades is the reversion of the mean type swing trades. The intelligence exit establish stops below the lows of a move and then to take profits on the upper boundary of a swing. So these are shorter term swing trades. Volatility breakout, the AI here is looking for unusual high volatility in the direction of the trend or the breakout, and these can run for several bars before hitting resistance. And then quick 3-day moves, code 106. And yeah, we are to maximize profits 3 bars after the entry. Great strategy for active traders looking to trade the very quick explosive moves that often happen when volatility increases. So there they are. These are the candidates we're going to screen for today. It's already set like that. Major reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts and quick 3-day moves. So the AI is busy, 37 shares out of 103 in the watch list, the NASDAQ 100 watch list. So I'm going to pause my recording here and I'll be back as soon as the scan is done. And we're back. It took about 3 minutes, just under 4 minutes to do the screen. There's 27 new results, and the tablet, the screen now shows that these are in a long, all the positions where the AI is in a long position. We can see there's a 1 in that column, and anything that it's in a short is got a 1 in the column. You can see how old the trades are, 90 days, 23 days, 7 days. You can see the hits, the amount of time that particular strategy was activated or fired in the testing period, then the percentage accuracy as well as the profit per trade. Quite good profits, average profit per trade there. So we can see quite a healthy mix of screening candidates. 104 swing trade, 105 volatility breakout, 100 is the major reversal move, Amgen. So I can remember that one from last week. So we're going to sort this list by bars, and we can see there's 1, 3 and 5 bars into a trade. Exelon Corporation is in a long and just fired recently, so we'll see what the AI brings up. Right, I'm just going to make sure I've got the template on. Attach the AI template. There we go. Yeah, so you can see quite a couple of good swing trade, quick move swing trade trades on that one, so that should be good. Oh, interesting, Zoom is in here, but Zoom's in a short. Oh, that's bad news, I guess. That's interesting that it's going into a short position here. That's fascinating. We'll see how that one pans out. Amgen's in a long, 7 days into a trade, and we can see that worked out well. We identified it last week, and so that one's moving higher. Adobe in a short for some reason. The AI thinks it's a short. I will be very cautious shorting anything in this current market. That's a stop loss swing trade, so that one. Nvidia still in a short. So all the extended stocks looks like it's highlighting that these might be a little bit extended in short positions. Autodesk is a long 22 days into the trade, so that's doing very well. CDW Corp, that's 22 bars into a trade. So nothing really fresh for this week apart from Exelon Corporation on the long side, and that's just fired yesterday, so there's a potential for a swing trade in that name. So the long-term winners has been NXP Semiconductor. We can see this trade's been in there for a while, and it's really motored ahead very nicely. So you can see the volatility breakout, huge move. Your stop loss was calculated and moved up together with it. So it's still in the trade, and your stop loss is there, right up there in that figure there, 145 something, 146. Broadcom's also 183 days into a trade. It's been a phenomenal rally from an AI perspective. You can see stop losses moved up gradually, huge move up. So Broadcom's doing very well. Automatic data processing, ADP, is also doing very well. 85 days into a trade for this one. Yeah, takes a second or two to get all the data to. Don't know why it's not coming. There we go. Huge move up. Yeah, swing trade, they're up. So Tesla, incidentally, is 29 bars into a trade, 29 days, and that's doing very well. You can see the stop loss has now moved up. Stop loss is right under the 600, 580, something like that. Yeah, so that's the stop loss. So we've had some great trades on Tesla most of the year, so been long it, and fantastic returns on Tesla, for example. And then Apple as well is 29 days into a trade. That's done very well. Okay. So, but yeah, you can see these are all the latest trade ideas out of the NASDAQ 100, and then I've ranked them from most recent to the older trades. You can see we've had some fantastic trades coming through on the NASDAQ 100. If anybody's interested in getting your own AI, you can get a great deal on following this link, metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. And if you want a great deal on the AI engine alone, metastock.com/alphaharvestf. And until next time, happy AI trading.